Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Graco Monarch drum ram. I'm sure most of you are familiar with it. Graco's been making these for a long time. It has a two-piston lift system on it, as well as his pump, of course, in the center. This is the original Graco control. You can see it's marked on here, up, down, and in this case it has a little mark right here. It raises into its full position, and we'll hold that as long as it stays in up. And then when to go down, of course, you need pressure to go down because you want to force the ram into the drum. And it's a little, you hear the noise, there is a small exhaust filter you'll need to put in there. It also has this unique feature, this small button right here. Let's just... Now you'll see this small red line. It comes off of here and then goes and connects to the follower plate. And this allows you, by pressing the button, put a small burst of air through the bottom if you need to pressurize the bag or anything like that to pull it off the walls. The pump is operating as well. We've added a new Bimba control right here. Pull out. And there's the pump operation. Has a small little gasket in here. Allows you to move the pump up and down depending on where you want to locate it in relation to the follower plate. We have lots of pumps in our stock like this, air operated, electric, all different types of designs, everything in process and packaging. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.